Nick. Got the new shoes on, new kicks.
New kicks, new goofing. Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel.
So we're doing a full front on this Range Rover here. We're doing it in our 8mm stealth film because the paint is already that stealth matte finish. We're gonna be doing just the full front, so that's the hood, fenders, bumper. We're not doing A-pillars and mirrors on this one because it's for a dealership. We're gonna knock it out. Stay tuned. Well, this one needs more stretch than normal anyway because it's 6 inch, right?
I think it's not going to be.
Yeah, I mean, me and Mitch did one.
Yeah.
Me and Mitch did one.
It's not like, you know, it's nothing.
Yeah.
It's nothing crazy.
He just needs to be better. I mean, me and Nick had no issues with it. Dan comes in, he's like, yeah, we got to do all this. No, you don't. Just be good.
Just wake up. It's excellence.
That was definitely his, like, that was definitely his high school like yearbook like quote. He says that all the time. Right behind. Oh my gosh.
Need more air. I ate my bowl of Wheaties this morning.
Bowl of weenies?
Wheaties!
I thought you said
He's a weed eater.
Dunking on the job.
Yeah, bowl of weed.
Should have an office to be in or something.
Yeah, I do. I'll go back to it.
Good old stealth. Get to where I mean, you're literally just
covered on there.
that over there on your side. And that's how you do, well, recommended 72-inch hood panel and a 60-inch film, because stealth doesn't come in a 72-inch. So we had to use 60-inch and just work a little magic, get the stretch right, and make it work. That's what we did. For some reason, we don't have the patterns available in our DAP software for the hood vents. So, after we did the custom bulk hood, now I gotta come back and do the vents custom as well. So, that is what I'm currently working on. There's Pinky. Pinky was getting jealous. I got you. All right, so back in action here on this lovely Rover. Got the hood all squared away. Now we're going to move on to the fenders. I've got one fender sprayed down already on the board. So we'll get our installation gel sprayed on here and get rock and rolling. And now, for my next act, I'm going to show you how to carry over this big old long bumper all by yourself. Now, granted, if you got someone nearby, it's always best just to grab an extra hand. However, sometimes you're just not able to do so. I've already got the bumper sprayed down. Good thing I came over here just in time. It was peeling off the board. Another minute or so, it would have been on the floor. We would have a whole different conversation. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of fold it over onto itself, come all the way over, put it down like so. All right, now I've basically split the bumper in half. Now we'll lay this side down first, and then we'll finish her up here. And that right there is how the pros do it. Not that I'm a pro, but you know, I pretend to be. I play one on TV.
Really? I've never been on live television before.
We got this all set up here now, the bumper pattern, and we're going to get this all squeegeed down, and we'll get this all tidied up. We'll be back and get started on the lower bumper.
All right, folks, so we got all the paint protection film installed here on this really nice looking Rover. I am going over the edges of the paint protection film, and then we just got to get her cleaned up and it'd be ready to turn over to the customer.
Tony,
What's up, bro?
how's it going?
Going?
Hey, I got a question for you though.
What's up?
English or Spanish?